Hi, today's question is consider the following sequence of reactions to give the major product X. Benzene has been reacted with first CaCl, LCl3 anhydrous, then Cl2, then FeCl3, and third is K2Cr2O7, H2SO4. P gram of the major product formed is reacted with NaHCO3 solution to liberate a gas which occupies 11.2 dm³ at STP. P is equals to how much of gram. So first, let's see what will be the product. If you treat benzene with CH3Cl LCl3, that is your Friedel-Crafts reaction, it will produce toluene as the product, right? When toluene is treated with Cl2 FeCl3, it will give ortho product as the major compound. Okay. Next, when you treat with K2Cr2O7 with H2SO4, which is an oxidizing agent, toluene will be oxidized to acid and orthopositional Cl will be there. So this is orthochlorobenzoic acid. Your X is orthochlorobenzoic acid. What is the molecular weight of this compound? That is 156.5. Decimeter cube is equivalent to liter. Okay, decimeter cube is equivalent to liter. So what can be now said that when this now your acid is treated with a base, there will be an acid base reaction. Similarly, whenever you are treating benzoic acid or any derivative of benzoic acid with a base, produce sodium salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So this much 156.5 gram means 1 mole, right? When Ca only one, right? Only 1 mole is reacting with 1 mole of NaHCO3, giving you 1 molecule or 1 mole of the sodium salt and 1 molecule or 1 mole of carbon dioxide. In terms of liter, it will be 22.4 liter. Correct. From there we can write that 22.4 liter carbon dioxide is produced from 156.5 gram of the compound X. Then what has been given 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide will be produced from how much gram of the compound, that is 156.5 into 11.2 divided by 22.4. Now we can with the answer is 78.25 gram. So the answer will be P is equals to 78.25 gram. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.